In this video, we're going to take a look at the Analogue 3D Ocean. This is the blue prototype version they just released. You can see it's well packaged. Two things I like, the Nintendo 64 and the color blue, so that's why I picked this one up. So the packaging is really nice. You do get this little paper that tells you how to update our 3D OS and the controller software. Really nice packaging, you can see here. Where you can see here, you get the blue cable. This is an HDMI cable, so that's really cool. That's really nice that they include that, and I like that they color coordinate and include that. You also get this USB-C cable that's blue as well. And I assume that's going to be for like updating the console via your computer. You also get this power block here, which is blue. And then you get the actual console. We'll take a look real quick at the bottom here, what's included down here. So you get a cartridge cleaner. So that's pretty neat. And then you get some stickers, which is really cool. And then the pairing instructions. Overall, I think the packaging is really nice. They definitely went the extra mile to make it worthwhile. So here's the actual console. Now I got the Ocean. This is the prototype. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite console was the 64. So this was a no-brainer when I saw this. Now you have the power button here, which you just do like this. And then you have a reset button. So on the original 64, you would just press that forward and it will lock. This one doesn't do that, however. Now this one, what separates this from the N64 is you could like do overclocking, I think it's called. You could also use analog original controllers, or you could use Bluetooth, which I picked up some of the 8-bit Do, I think you pronounce it, controllers. You have the power, which is USB-C. That's what that USB-C cable's for. You have a USB port, HDMI port, and then an SD card. I'm not going to try to pull out the SD card right this second, but it is kind of in there. But you can see like where the slot is. But overall, I think it's a really cool system. I haven't tried it, obviously. It's got a nice grip at the bottom here, which is also blue. I just like it. It seems a little bit smaller than the original 64, but it takes the cartridges and you can play any region. It's region free. So anyways, that's a look at it. I just wanted to show you what it looks like and share the unboxing experience. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, and check out my other videos. I'll see you next time.